Well, got a pretty non-special job on the go today. Got a chair repair. So this is my computer chair, office chair, that I've been using for, I don't know, 15 or 20 years. I know you find it hard to believe for a fellow as small and svelte as myself, but I've busted a wheel thing. You see how this is all wonky in the what's-it? The bits right here. The factory way of attaching these, they just have a little weld just around one side of that. And I repaired one of these already. I don't know which one it was. This one, I think. I repaired this one already, and that's holding fine. That was about a year ago. But another one is let go. So I'm just going to buzz it clean a little bit with the grinder and seagull poop some welds around it here to hold it on. Should be a good time. Alright, see what kind of damage I caused doing this. There we go. Good as new and twice as ugly. We'll clean that up a little, call her a day. A little warm. Huh, look at that, these end pieces come off. There we go. Give that end what's it. Alright. Mental note. Next time I do one of these, I'm going to take the plastic end cap off. That's hot. There we go, job done. Now I can go sit on my ass and drink beer.